tents, we only got 6 in flower and 6 in flower in there. So I'll load up the grain room. Then when something's looking decent enough to flower, put it through a flower cycle and keep my 6 always maxed out. Currently, none. Which is, one of those business plans I haven't shared with people because, yeah, I'll format the LLC and then my business plan is business to government. Sell them the services I know they need. Hey, I don't write the rules, I just enforce them. Hell, shouts out to Type Flight Security of the World, Craig. Yeah, see, this is why I like talking with Coach Sherry because she already knows that there's some things that was behind the scenes that I'm not trying to tell people because everybody don't need to know that that's an open business here in Missouri. That hell, if I go ahead and get it locked in, people could be mad at me for another reason. Shout out to my haters. We gonna keep adding to that list, 2025 and beyond. You dig? Oh my God, he's talking about being the one that set up the business that came by to harass people. I didn't harass nobody. You knew you started breaking the rules, and I already knew to come get you. Somebody got to come get you, and I'm gonna be putting in work anyways. So I got a collection of souls somewhere.
Some are concerned about marijuana advertisements appealing to kids.
We do not want anything to do with marijuana.
See, the only reason why they say to treat it like alcohol is because you need to be 21 plus. Hey, if you're over 21, we'll let you do what you do. If you got a medical condition and are under 21, this is why I said medical over what? Medical over rec, because if I have a medical condition and it's now prescribed, I got to have access to my prescription, and then I'm gonna need a subscription to popcorn because he already been said that type of stuff. You dig? Hey, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe for the replay gang because we over here doing our THING on a Saturday or Sunday at 10 a.m. We'll be right back in the morning, right? Because I already got my playlist lined up for tomorrow. Shout out to doing your homework in 2025 because you got to keep up with your own work. Hey, somebody got to do it. Why not you? It's like monetizational coaching right there. Shouts out to the 8 thumbs up. I appreciate that. It might be 9 or 10, depends on who was the last person came in and hit that thumbs up.
Being attractive to children.
It really isn't anything that would necessarily entice kids.
Voters like Julie Tolliver are questioning why lawmakers are changing what voters wanted.
Are you, as a voter, frustrated?
Absolutely. I feel like it's pushing things in the wrong direction.
While the bill wouldn't increase sales tax on the drug, Governor Mike DeWine has proposed doubling marijuana sales tax. Tolliver says she finds it all very irritating.
Oh, well, we listened to you and we cut it from, we're not going to change the revenue. But on the flip side, yeah, they're going to change the revenue.
The proposed changes will now be discussed by members of the Republican-dominated Ohio House.
So there are a number of things to unpack here, guys. And as you guys may have heard in our previous episodes, a lot of these bills are currently being debated. And right now we actually have 2 bills. One that actually reduces the plant count limit, one that keeps...
But see, they're doing the opposite to get the results they want. They should be increasing the plant count because we're going to be charging y'all more money. Yeah, so instead of going to the dispensary, which is going to be charging you more money because they're getting taxed more, you go to the grow shop, pay for your grow equipment, get a little bit more tax, and then you go home and grow on, right? Grow on. Shout out to the growers, though. All right, Hookergram, you have a good weekend too, man. Always a pleasure to see you. Y'all know to do y'all networking and click on these people. There's some good people in the chat. Either they content creators or good supporters. Either or. Hey, networking is always going to be prime. This is why we give y'all an opportunity to come to my house and meet a couple people I got sitting on the couch. And by on the couch, I mean in the chat. Shout out to the couch, though, because, you don't want to be the guy on the couch always. Sometimes it's your time to shine, and we'll come see your show, too. You dig? Because, hell, I need a place so I can be the guy on the couch sometimes. Hell, let me come chill at your house, sit on your couch, pick up a couple ducats, and do some networking. Hell, I ain't always got to be going live on Saturday and Sunday. I will be, though, because, consistent corn is in the building. We don't play over here. Hell, my work is serious. Hell, there's implications behind things sometimes. Hell, you gotta wait for the flows to process, as Ludacris said.
keeps it the same. And what the lawmakers are currently trying to do is to